The US dollar is weighed down by concerns over the US economy. US auto sales slumped by 12% as several automakers reported large losses. Earlier, US ISM Manufacturing Index sank to a 10-year low. Traders start casting doubt that the non-farm payrolls data will show better results. The NFP report shows the number of jobs created outside the American agricultural industry at the beginning of each month. Wednesday's report of ADP private payrolls could give clues on the labor market, as it is seen as a preview for Friday's employment report. Today, the greenback is slightly growing against major world currencies. Before the Asian session, the US currency advanced to 99.5 points, its highest since May 2017. However, later it fell amid weak ISM data. Today, the US dollar index, which tracks the greenback against a basket of 6 world currencies, rose by 0.04% to 99.17 points. On Wednesday, the dollar-yen pair inched up but failed to continue its rally. The pair is still holding near its peak low. Earlier, the pair reversed and lost about 85 points from its weekly highs after the release of weak statistics from the US. Meanwhile, investors resumed speculations about the key rate cut by the Fed in October. Moreover, the sharp decline in US bond yields also put pressure on the US dollar. However, US bond yields managed to recover, so the dollar-yen pair grew again. For now, the pair is stuck in the same range as traders are awaiting the release of the NFP report. Market participants are closely watching the US dollar's dynamics as risk sentiment persists. The Australian versus the US dollar pair is trading at 0.6715 after having lost 0.17% and updated its multi-year high the day before. Yesterday, during the North American session, the pair dropped amid weak US manufacturing report. Traders are anticipating the US unemployment rate report, which will be released on Friday. Today, Boris Johnson is expected to issue a take-it-or-leave-it ultimatum to Brussels, warning he will take the UK out of the EU on the 31st of October with or without deal. He is also poised to propose a plan that includes a backstop for a period of 4 years. We keep close tabs on the market developments. Stay tuned.